Hi, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also press the bell button so that you never miss any update from me. Also do not forget to like, comment and share with your friends. Namaskar, namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel Bewidshree and I'm SHYAMASREE, and today after so many days I'm here with a makeup tutorial, and it's been a while I have not done any kind of makeup tutorial on my channel. So today I will be doing it, but not full face, only the eye makeup, and yes, and of course I will be doing the lips. You can pair up with your traditional outfit, you can pair up with western outfit as you like. Another thing I would like to say is this is really easy. You just have to know the technique, and I have tried to explain it while I am doing. I always try to explain it while I do it. So without talking too much, let's get started. Let's start off with this eye. I'm done with this eye. So first I'll take a big fluffy brush and I will take the color Sandalwood from my rose gold palette from Huda Beauty, and we'll first apply it on the crease. Going again with the same color, a little bit on the outer side and in the inner side, and take control of your own hand. And excuse my background with the blue bag. So we'll need this color again, but later on. Now I'll take a little bit smaller fluffy brush and we'll apply this color Cocoa, a little bit darker color than the previous one, and we'll start applying this under this color. Okay, so here exactly. So inside and here, and if you can notice, I have left the space in between. Now we'll go back again with the lighter color and we'll blend it properly. I'm holding the brush here and blending it. There are no harsh lines. That darker color on the lash line as well. Okay, now the shimmery part. So I will be taking this kind of foil eyeshadow from this palette, Blessed. We'll take it on my finger and we'll apply on the lid, on the center part. We'll take that fluffy brush again and we'll just try to blend everything over here. Now I have a brush with black color over here. Like this. Okay, now the last thing which is left, second last thing, I'll take a kajal.
Now the last thing, mascara. Oh my god, mascara.
And the final touch.
Ta-da! And we are finally done. And here's the look.
I hope you like it. Please to give a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and also comment down below and let me know what you want to see and next, and I would love to do that. And also we'll try to come little bit more regularly. I'm sorry for all my irregularities. Khama cheye nichi. I'm very sorry for that I am not regular anymore. But I'll try to come back as soon as possible. Stay at home, stay well, eat well, be healthy, also be happy. Try to be happy in these moments as well, and try to be, because otherwise your mental health will be too bad. You have to take care of the mental health as well. See you next time. Bye and take care.